Morning class. I am your Yogita Miss and today we are learning lesson number 5 of civics family values. Look at the colorful picture here is given the importance and the value of joint family. In the second slide you have given some questions about first question in your family. How do you make the decision to go on a trip? Answer is that we make the decision by family discussion. The second question is that do you offer suggestion about the places during the trip? Yes. Third question, do you get to suggest which guests should be invited over during a holiday? Yes, I got opportunity to suggest which guests should be invited over during a holiday. Now question number 4. How do you help during preparation for festivals or functions at home? Answer. I help my mother in decoration by making rangoli, toran. I also help her in household work. Now, role in family discussion making. The first is likes, dislikes, thoughts and options differ from person to person with the family. We live together in a family. Every person's likes and dislikes are different. Thoughts and opinions can also be different. We ourselves are different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinion can match those of others on various topics. However, we have love and affection for each other. We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well-being. We talk to each other before making decisions about anything in the house. We consult each other and make decisions that everyone agrees with. In this way, we are part of the decision making in the family. There are some advantages of participation in family discussion making. Every member of the family gets opportunity to express his or her opinion. Every aspect of the subject is thoroughly discussed. When our opinion is valued, we feel closer to the family. Now, read and discuss. Now, citizens participate in municipal budget planning. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend money. Citizens crowd to suggest improvement to city development plan. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. Joint effort by 6 villages bears fruit. Now, the answer is that we read the matters requiring citizen participation in the newspaper. It is advantage to have everyone expressing opinion about the local environment. When we feel that a wrong decision is being taken by our elected representatives, government, we should register our opinion and thereby become a part of public decision making. Think about it. Be a part of the decision making process at home. Do not form your opinion merely on the basis of opinion of others. Share your views with others. Now, the next one is that can you tell? Note the following situations carefully. State which of the children should honest behavior. Afrin borrowed a pencil from Minu. After she finished using it, she returned it. This is a honest decision behavior. Now, Shama fell from her bicycle. However, she told her mother, Neha pushed me off the bicycle. This is a wrong behavior. Mary took the bag she found in a rickshaw to a police station. It is a very honest behavior. Now, the effects of honest and dishonest behavior. We do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk. we sh- we should talk about we should talk about it openly. When our friends and families, by doing this, we learn to be honest and find a way to recorrect it. It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. We must try hard to sincere in our we must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat. If we are honest, we do not have be afraid. Do not have be afraid. But if we dishonest, we close our self-confidence. We must be honest at home as well as in public. Everyone respects an honest person. Honesty is our strength. Honesty is our strength. Now, advantages. Wait. Honesty in public life. If we are honest in public life, we will get better public services and facilities. What happen if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? Our public